Now, within a table, there's a whole host of different settings that you can adjust. First, of course, you can give it a name, a different description, and then there's also an option here to send records through any automation you've set up automatically or hold them for you to send manually. This only applies when you're going in and you're adding records manually, right? You might go through and add each field individually and take your time. We don't want an automation to run before that field is looking good and complete. Now, when you do have an automation set up that brings in records automatically from some other app or tool, all of the data comes in at once. That's safe to send through the automation. So we do have this setting here that you can adjust. You can easily show or hide fields from one place here. This link in the sidebar shows all of the linked assets, so different zaps or maybe interfaces that you've set up that are connected to the data in this table. Under the name at the top, you can rename the entire table or duplicate all of the fields for a new table and not any of the records. You can share a table. You can even create a public link so that people can come in and see the data without having to log in. Or you can share with teammates within Zapier so that they can build and edit what you've created. There's also the ability to create an automation from this drop down in the top, create a view so that you can have filtered views to navigate to and come back to, a form and interfaces that is built from the data of this table. It makes it super easy to do. And then you can create a brand new table itself from the dropdown.